and play and make new friends.
Camp What Do is a program that of students that are English language learners that helps them build off their language where they are, and also an opportunity to engage them as much as possible with the English language.
We support our students in their vocabulary and any literacy component, so they're able to start fresh the new year with the new things that we've taught them.
I am ready for camp.
I am ready for camp.
Good job.
It's a fun place that you have a lot of fun, and it's a camp that most different cultures come and have fun with other cultures that are really far away that came all this way to go to Camp Do. Every person I know here, they've been super duper nice to me. Like the principal, the vice principal, the staff, the teachers, they've been super nice.
Seeing them excited to be here every day, having fun with the educators as well as teachers and all staff members, but the students, their enthusiasm to be here is really what drives me.
Just the energy that the camp brings is different than regular school or regular summer school, so I do like the energy that the camp brings and the support we're able to give to the students.
We love Camp Can Do!